Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Well, if you've been following the Evo 8 track build, you know that we had a little issue with the fuel pump housing leaking fuel through one of the little electrical connectors. So I thought I'd just give you guys a quick update on the situation. It's been a couple of weeks since I posted that video, and I just wanted you to know that I got a full refund from Bulletproof Racing. Thanks a lot, guys. You guys have been nothing but full professionals about the whole situation. I know it's a little bit tricky, me being down here in Australia and you guys are being in America, but you guys handled that situation really professional. You answered all my emails and questions really fast, and we resolved the situation. So once again, guys, thanks a lot. Right, now that we got that out of the way, I just wanted to show you guys the new parts that I got for the Track Evo 8 build, and they are Radium twin in-tank fuel pump hanger, 2 Bosch 460 fuel pumps E85 compatible. I can't wait to get this onto the car, and hopefully we can take it out onto the racetrack. So I'll just do a quick unboxing of the fuel pump. So not gonna lie, I did open it up just because I was super excited, but for the purpose of this video I'll just show you what's in it. So there's the hanger. I'll take it out of the plastic. So there it is. Looks like a pretty good unit. So radium, and then we got it looks like a sticker, a pamphlet, a couple little AN fittings, a hose, and another connector for the second fuel pump, a couple of clamps. Right, so I can't wait to get these parts into the car. If I can find time, then I'll probably end up doing it, but if I don't have net time, then yeah, I'll just get someone else to throw it in and wire it up. Yeah, it's kind of hard these days to find time, especially when you're running your own business. So if somebody can just knock it out in a day, then yeah, that'll be heaps good. Right, so that's just a quick update on where the Track Evo 8 is currently at. If you want to see more, like and subscribe, tell all your mates, and I'll see you guys on the next video.